Carrots are one of the most common and versatile vegetables in the world. Most people think of carrots as being orange, but they can also be found in purple, yellow, red, and even white varieties. The orange carrot, which is the most popular today, was cultivated in the Netherlands in the 16th century and became well known for its sweetness and vibrant color. Carrots are root vegetables, which means they grow underground. There are many ways to enjoy carrots. You can eat them raw as a crunchy snack, grate them into salads, cook them in soups, or even blend them into smoothies. Interestingly, carrots are not just a favorite of humans. Many animals like rabbits and horses also love them. Carrots are packed with fiber and natural sugars, making them a healthy treat for both people and animals. In summary, carrots are more than just a simple vegetable. They have a rich history, come in many colors, and are packed with health benefits. Whether eaten raw or cooked, carrots are a nutritious and delicious part of a balanced diet.